You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flued out.
All right, folks, brace yourselves for a story that defies all logic. Meet Jason Green, a man with no job, no custody of his kids, yet somehow he's convinced he deserves child support from his ex, Ellie. And here's the real shocker. Ellie is the custodial parent. That's right, the one actually raising the kids is the same person he's trying to squeeze for cash. If your head is already spinning, trust me, you're not alone. But we're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deep into this legal circus, breaking down every mind-boggling twist. By the time we're done, you'll be asking yourself one simple question. How did we even get here? So grab your popcorn, because this is one wild ride you won't want to miss.
Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
Insurance. I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes.
Okay.
I adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal with as a flight attendant with all these crazy people on this
Okay,
airplane.
so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally I may have a little flued out.
Voice. All right, folks, strap in, because this one's a wild ride. Meet Jason Green, unemployed, non-custodial dad, who strolls into court demanding child support from his ex, Ellie. The twist? Ellie has full custody of their kids. Yes, you heard that right. The guy who only sees his kids on weekends thinks he should be getting paid. And it gets better. Jason walks in with zero paperwork. No proof, no records, just pure audacity. Then, with a straight face, he tells the judge he's unemployed and needs money to take care of his kids. But hold on, his kids live with Ellie full-time. What exactly is he planning to spend this money on? weekend Happy Meals, extra juice boxes. Just when you think it can't get any more absurd, Jason drops the real bombshell. He's a mechanic. But not for cars. No, this man fixes mechanical bulls, and apparently the rodeo industry just isn't hiring. Jason, my guy, maybe it's time to trade in the cowboy hat for a real job. This isn't a drive-through, it's a courtroom. And Judge Vonda? She's not serving up child support for weekend dads. Case closed.
By the time I be working hard, I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but...
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About $79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About $79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the only child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
you know
me.
what it is to carry a baby for 9 months.
Just because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
that's why we
again, I need you to pay attention to since you like to be flued out and stuff, I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I'll give you credit for the $175. 658. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am. $1,000.
That's a whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? Did you got
I heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
And that's when Judge Vonda dropped the hammer, delivering the ultimate reality check. Job or no job, Jason is still responsible for child support. Why? Because he quit his last job, thinking he could finesse the system and make Ellie pay him instead. Spoiler alert, it backfired spectacularly, like an Uno reverse card straight to the face. But wait, it gets even better. Mid-hearing, Jason casually turns to some random guy in the courtroom, asking for legal advice like they're cramming for a group project. My guy, this isn't a study hall, it's your child support case. Focus. Then, as Judge Vonda starts crunching the numbers, Jason pulls out a Snickers bar and starts stress eating. Sir, you're about to owe money, not snack your way through a financial crisis. And then the final blow, $900 a month. Jason slams the desk in disbelief, realizing too late that he wasn't getting paid. He was paying up. The ultimate plot twist. But Jason wasn't done yet. In one last, desperate move, he asks Judge Vonda if she knows anyone hiring. Sir, this isn't LinkedIn. Her response: there might be a bar that needs a mechanical bull fixed. Absolute gold. If you enjoyed this courtroom catastrophe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.